In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut business account in UK Ltd 2025. Step by step. We'll walk through the full sign-up flow for a UK limited company, from your first search to reaching your dashboard. Before you begin, have a few details ready. Your company's legal name as registered with Companies House, your Companies House registration number, the date of incorporation, your company address, and a valid photo ID for verification. Using accurate, up-to-date information will help avoid delays. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut Business. Click through to the official Revolut website and choose the option to create an account. When prompted, select United Kingdom as your country and click Continue. For company type, choose Limited Company, often shown as Ltd, and continue again. Enter your email address and hit Continue. Then head to your inbox to authorize the login from Revolut. This confirms you have access to that email. Next, enter your phone number. Make sure you select the correct country code so you receive the SMS. Click Continue, then enter the verification code sent to your device. Create a strong password that you'll remember, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and click Continue. Provide your date of birth, continue, then enter your residential address, and continue once more. Now search for your business legal name exactly as it appears on Companies House and continue. You'll be asked for business details, including the legal name, your Companies House registration number, and the date of incorporation. Enter these carefully and click Continue. You'll then add your company's address, city, and postcode. Ensure these match your official records, then continue. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, such as a passport or driving license, and follow the on-screen prompts. When asked, click to start recording your video. Position yourself in a well-lit area, hold your ID steady, and follow any instructions like turning your head or reading numbers. Clear, glare-free images help speed up approval. After you've completed verification, your account will be reviewed. Once it's approved, you'll land on your Revolut business dashboard. From here, you're set to explore features tailored for UK Ltd companies, but the initial setup is complete. If anything doesn't match the official company record, take a moment to double-check spellings, numbers, and addresses before resubmitting. Keeping your email and phone nearby, using accurate company data, and providing clear ID photos are the fastest way to get verified and into your account.